Footwear, Dansko and Payless, the Quincy Ziegler Bowen, CUNY School of Professional Studies. Successful and failing brands, Dansko, Payless. Dansko was created in 1990 by co-founders CEO Mandy Cabot and her husband Peter Jellup, who is the CEE, chief of everything else. They got the idea of selling closed-back clogs while shopping in her husband's hometown of Denmark. They began selling clogs out the trunk of their car and to date have grown the business to $120 million annual revenue. Their headquarters are located in West Grove, Pennsylvania. The company owns 2 footwear patents, 35 registered trademarks in clothing, footwear, and headgear, 150 employees. Their IPO is private, and their monthly website traffic is 220,000. Currently, their website traffic is down 3.5%. History. The couple started off with training, breeding, showing, and selling competition dressage horses. During a shopping trip in her husband's home country, they came across the clog shoe and decided it would be a great shoe to sell in their horse training business. Initially, they did not have a marketing plan, and they entered the market at the right time. They knew very little about the shoe business and was able to receive tons of free press because their shoe was so odd looking. They grew a huge customer base with selling shoes to the hospitality healthcare industry. They have a large Twitter following of 8,033 and a huge Facebook following of 655,000 and 30,000 Instagram followers. The company has not made a Twitter post since 2018, and their most recent social media post was on Facebook, which promoted weekend sales in the spring and summer season. Employee owned, they have 150 employees. Employees are the lifeblood of the company. Employees are the business. And in 2012, the company became 100% employee owned, and they stay committed to their employees and their community. Dansko is a successful brand because they sell shoes to both men and women. The shoes are made to be durable and supportive, and the company is one of the leaders in environment sustainability. If I were their PR manager, I would continue their current marketing brand, but it would include marketing to a more diverse audience. Payless Shoes. Payless Shoe Source. Payless Shoe Source is an American discount footwear retailer, founded in 1956 in Topeka, Kansas by 2 cousins, Louis and Shaul Perez. Their goal was to own the top-selling footwear in America. In 1962, Payless goes public as a whole volume distributor, and they became a privately held company. They employ over 18,000 employees worldwide and owned 2,500 North American stores. Branding. They brand their shoe stores as affordably priced shoes in the range of $20 to $40. They offer a wide selection of brands. Their stores are self-select models. They are very customer service oriented and fun and engaging. The company is owned by Alden Global Capital, Invesco, Octagon Credit Investments, also known as Payless Holding LLC. In 2017, they had a revenue of $3 billion. Their IPO status is private, and in 2018, they made Forbes list America's largest company at 156. Their monthly website traffic is 5 million visitors. Social media. They have 30,000 Twitter followers, 1.3 million Facebook followers, and 242 Instagram followers. On February 14th, Payless Shoe Source advertised a Valentine's Day sale in 2019, and then the next day, February 15th, they announced that they were closing all 2,500 stores. Why is this company failing? 2017, Payless filed for bankruptcy with $435 million in debt and closed 700 stores. They suffer from retail apocalypse, too much debt and overhead, and they're unable to compete with the online giant Amazon. If I were their PR, I would create a better online presence and experience. I would discontinue selling discount shoes, and I would restructure their brand from affordable brand to selling shoes for working professionals, healthcare, food service, law enforcement.